Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to have swipe on Snapchat new update. So as we all know, this 2023, there are lots of new features and new versions. That's the reason why you always make sure that your application is up to date so that you can enjoy new features of your social media applications. So for Snapchat, all you have to do now is to just go to your chat box. Now, if you're going to slide this profile to the right, not really tap their profile, but a bit of it, like the white one, the white area. Do not tap their profile, but beside the profile, which is this white area here, if you're going to slide it to the right, you can definitely do this half swipe on Snapchat. That's a very easy thing to do, but takes patience because sometimes you can just easily tap the person's profile. So always remember that you start with the white area and slowly slide it to the right. Now, if you do this one again, make sure that you don't release your finger because if that's the case, then you can totally see the conversation of that person or the message of the person, and the person will be notified that you have seen his or her message. So let's just say if you release your finger, you have no choice but to read the conversation. So always remember that you have to be very careful in sliding it to the right if you want to see the conversation, but you don't want the person to know that you have seen the conversation. Okay, so again, you just have to slowly tap the area, the white area beside the profile, slide it to the right, and that's how to have swipe on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.